Hey everyone, welcome back to HB. If you're new here, I'm KT with my lovely co-host Angel and Jane. We have reviews this week for a couple rides that have happened, and we are going to jump back into all things motorcycling, reviews, news, and in-depth analyses of the latest rides hitting the streets and trails. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about. The much anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. It's all set to redefine the adventure touring segment, and we're going to explore everything you need to know about it. Let's get right into it. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of what makes the 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 stand out, let's take a quick look at what the Himalayan series has meant for the motorcycle industry so far. The original Himalayan was introduced back in 2016, and from day one, it was clear that Royal Enfield was setting a new benchmark for budget-friendly, accessible adventure motorcycles. With its rugged looks, approachable power, and strong touring capability, the Himalayan captured the hearts of adventurers whether they were hitting the highways or the roughest off-road trails. Fast forward to 2025, and the Himalayan is evolving, bringing with it a host of improvements, updates, and upgrades that enthusiasts have been eagerly awaiting. And what's most exciting is that the Himalayan 450 seems to be an all-new proposition for the brand, with more power, better technology, and a refined design aimed at taking your riding experience to the next level. Let's dive into the heart of the Himalayan 450, its engine and performance. The Himalayan 450 marks a departure from the previous Himalayan models, which used a 411cc air-cooled engine. The 2025 model will feature a brand new liquid-cooled 450cc single-cylinder engine. This new powertrain is expected to deliver around 40 horsepower, which is a noticeable bump from the earlier models. Of the standout features of this engine is its refinement. The new 450cc unit is engineered to offer smoother power delivery, better heat management, and more efficient performance. It's also designed to handle a wide range of riding conditions, whether you're cruising on highways, tackling mountain roads, or navigating challenging off-road trails. The added power is going to make a significant difference, especially on highways, where you'll be able to maintain higher speeds comfortably. The Himalayan 450 will also feature a 6-speed gearbox, which should improve fuel efficiency and provide better gearing options for different terrains. With the addition of a more powerful engine, we can expect a much more confident and enjoyable ride, especially at higher altitudes, where the bike has always been a favorite due to its torque and reliability. Moving on to the design, this is where the Himalayan 450 brings a fresh perspective. While the overall silhouette remains true to the Himalayan's rugged and utilitarian nature, there are a number of key updates and upgrades that make it even more appealing. The first thing you'll notice is the upgraded front end. The Himalayan 450 will sport a larger, more advanced LED headlamp with an integrated DRL, daytime running light. The new design of the headlamp provides better illumination, which is a big plus for night riders and off-road adventurers who need more visibility when riding in low-light conditions. Another noticeable upgrade is the windscreen. The Himalayan 450 will come with a larger adjustable windscreen that offers better wind protection, especially when riding at high speeds on highways or during long-distance rides. And let's not forget the newly designed fuel tank, which not only looks sleeker but also offers improved ergonomics and fuel capacity, ideal for those long trips where fuel efficiency is a priority. The body panels are also more refined, with a tougher and more durable finish to withstand rough conditions. The frame is reinforced for better stability, and the overall build quality feels more premium, giving you more confidence whether you're on or off the tarmac. For any adventure motorcycle, the suspension setup is crucial. The Himalayan 450 doesn't disappoint here either. It will feature fully adjustable suspension components, something that many riders were hoping for in the previous Himalayan models. Up front, you'll find a larger, more sophisticated telescopic fork designed to handle tougher trails, rocks, and uneven surfaces with ease. The rear will feature a monoshock setup, with preload and rebound adjustment options to fine-tune the suspension based on the rider's weight and riding style. What this means for you as a rider is better handling, more control, and overall a more comfortable ride, no matter the terrain. The Himalayan 450 is definitely built with a focus on off-road capability, but it also strikes a great balance for on-road comfort. Now, let's talk about the tech side of things. Royal Enfield has really stepped up its game when it comes to incorporating modern features into the Himalayan 450. While this bike stays true to the brand's simple and utilitarian charm, it also brings in tech that's practical for the modern rider. The Himalayan 450 will come with a fully digital instrument cluster that integrates a host of useful information. This includes ride modes, trip information, gear position indicator, fuel efficiency data, and even an altimeter for high-altitude rides. The inclusion of ride modes is something that stands out, as it allows riders to switch between different power delivery settings, giving them more control when riding on different surfaces, like dirt, gravel, or tarmac. The bike will also feature Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your phone with the bike and use navigation apps directly through the instrument cluster. For those long trips, this is a feature that can make a world of difference, as it keeps your focus on the road while giving you easy access to directions and ride data. When it comes to safety, the Himalayan 450 is expected to be equipped with a more advanced braking system. It will feature dual-channel ABS, anti-lock braking system, for both front and rear brakes, which is crucial for maintaining control in off-road conditions. The ability to switch off the ABS on the rear wheel will be especially handy for riders who prefer to lock the rear brake while off-roading, allowing for better control during slides. In addition to ABS, the Himalayan 450 will feature a stronger braking system with larger discs to provide better stopping power, especially when the bike is loaded with gear or navigating steep downhill sections. Of the key highlights of the Himalayan has always been its comfort, and the 2025 version is no different. The seat has been redesigned for better ergonomics and increased comfort on long rides. Expect a seat that's more supportive and wider, giving you more cushioning for long-distance touring. The handlebars are positioned to offer an upright and relaxed riding posture, which is perfect for long days in the saddle. Whether you're navigating through traffic or tackling rough terrain, the foot peg has been made more durable, and there's a better position for standing up during off-road rides, which is essential when tackling tough trails. So, when can you expect to see the Himalayan 450 on the streets? As of now, the 2025 Himalayan 450 is expected to be launched in India in the first quarter of the year, with international markets following shortly after. Pricing is expected to be slightly higher than the outgoing model, but with all the added features and improvements, it's still positioned to offer great value in the adventure touring segment. To wrap up, The 2025 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 is shaping up to be a game changer in the world of adventure motorcycles. With its new engine, improved suspension, enhanced design, modern tech features, and overall upgraded performance, it's clear that Royal Enfield has listened to the feedback from riders around the world. The Himalayan 450 brings the perfect blend of power, comfort, and off-road capability, making it an ideal choice for riders who crave adventure but don't want to break the bank. It's exciting to see how Royal Enfield continues to push boundaries while maintaining its classic charm. So, if you're an adventurer enthusiast, or if you're just looking for a bike that can take you anywhere, the Himalayan 450 might just be the motorcycle you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest bikes. Drop a comment below. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Himalayan 450? Are you excited about the updates? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep riding and stay